So, hello everybody. Today, I'm doing a pumpkin carving video because I just picked up a pumpkin and I picked up all these little utensils from my local drugstore. So, I'm just going to cut the top off. I'm joking. I'm not. How come? Let me set the camera up better. Maybe I'll put my sister's pumpkin right there. You guys can lean against her pumpkin. That's better. Okay, but you guys might not see me, but that's okay. Maybe right there. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's get carving some. First, I'm gonna plan out what I'm gonna do. Maybe I could take an idea from the little book that came with it. Can I have a bowl?
No, I told you to wait. I'm not gonna tell you again.